Celebrity life sometimes they questionable because of maybe the money will come with the fame will come with time. You know, the way people view them, the way people see them, the way they carry themselves. But sometimes when some kind of news break, you go look, say this person don't look like what you hear. And another question, I come and say, how come we don't know this thing? Or how come this thing never come to limelight? You go there and say, why this kind of interim? Say, calm down. Thomas Partey, ex-Arsenal player, because now just 2 weeks ago, not on X now. During the time when they for Arsenal, scored approximately 8-10 goals, you know, play, win. No, win nothing. He participates in different competitions. He follow the club there for the same level they did. Now, because he no can sign new contract, because of the convention, he no sign new contract, he left the club, become free agent. Barely 2 weeks after being a free agent, story pop up. Say the superstar from Ghana, Thomas Partey, get five rape cases. And now the question can be say, let's say start from 2021, 2022. I not keep this thing till he become free agent. That is one first. No first, so that one keep on one place. Number two, why be say footballers, stars, no they use their head when they get money, because maybe na excess money or na who they be, what then they do, but their position they cover them up.
Advice: we need to start to talk about this culture of when you make money, you feel they do anyhow.
I'm telling you.
Culture, not be just for Nigeria, na the world over. Imagine person like Yamin Lamau now at the age of 17. Yamin Lamau they organize party where we say no phones allowed. And we see they talk about what you do with that auntie. We say two of them they deny. They go to the now in the organized party, they say no phones allowed
at 17.
So now the lesson for everybody, people need to be very careful when they invite you come party, invite you go one place. Make sure say you know who you deal with.
Detailed.
Make sure you know the environment and have your getaway money. They call that in vex money.
Vex transport.
Get your vex money, and if na overnight party, make sure accommodation day for you. We still talk about this DD case.
Everything come mixed together.
Again, one bodyguard we come out recently. We talk say if you see what they happen for these footballers, their party. It's not funny.
It don't make sense.
Advice, you know, say if they talk rape, they go talk about women. They rape men now for parties. Now the truth, it happen. So man and woman, they careful around these people where they call superstars. Many of them, their head no correct. See Partey, 2 count with one woman, 3 counts with 2 women. Which kind wahala? At what point did you not tell yourself say stop?
So how did we not get to a point where a person go make money? You understand of what things to do? See, you be attraction to all these ladies. Then they find you. And as for you be prayer point to some people. You understand? At the same time now, if I look at the picture when I felt now the picture I felt look. It could be what you order for versus what you are not getting. How the time that this person now that they get. So for me, I refuse say. Real? That is the first question. Is it true? Because the thought not be today. So is it true? And why did it take so long for these people to come out, come talk, and all those things?
Make I tell you one thing. One wise man tell me. Anytime you say the day where women start to like you, your life don't change. The day where you start to like them back, your life don't spoil. So to all these superstars, yes, now the truth be that all these superstars, all these girls don't they like you, your life don't change. The day where you start to follow them, the way they come.
But when you know stories of the likes of Mendy,
they know they learn.
You understand? I remember Adam Johnson.
Adam Johnson,
5 footballer.
Yes. Even see this Raul Asensio for Real Madrid now.
He don't care that they have put her for cooler keep
they one side.
They go one day.
Many cases they like that.
But why be say what thing happen to other person? To these people not be lesson.
Na culture.
Not the thing is na culture.
Advice, you get one silent culture. Is they men now men first they do them. Now women they do them. The moment you get money, start to behave anyhow.
Power just intoxicate.
Because they no say once you go police, no worry, everywhere settle, everywhere good. Now the culture, that's why you need to be careful around all these people. We get money, we get power. Anything where they do you most likely no go get justice. That's the truth.
It's gone. 89.9 Yanga FM station where Sabi. No worry, no need to take careful when they listen to us. Now we they drop everything, and then when we come back, we they sit down on top some kind. See, this time I say this one they learn. Pep Guardiola looks like he cannot be a winner without one player. Everywhere Guardiola they go, if there's no system player for him, Guardiola looks like a failure. When they look at what they talk about, no worry. When we come back, I'm a joke only.
Now why Maresca na your apprentice?
89.9 Yanga FM.